What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So today's video is going to be Ktinas Plants part like 4 or 5 maybe. We have a couple cool things we did. She's got a couple new plants as you can see. So I'll cut this intro. Actually no intro because it's Ktinas Plants videos. Let's just jump right into it.
Alright, so I guess today we're going to show you guys, well not I guess, we're going to show you the DIY pots that I made out of terracotta pots, and then my new plants that I got, and then explain that some of them are not pet friendly, so where I keep them hanging, or what is pet friendly, and then just show you guys all my new plants that I got. So first we're going to show you guys our terracotta pots though, because they're so cool.
They're really cool.
We actually... if you guys want to see these, we're going to be making a video of them. We just don't have any more pots right now because I went crazy and did all of them. But I made little themes. So I made little themes. This one is, hold on, like a geometric just triangle pattern. And I guess I should let you guys know, you should really let them dry. I got, again, too excited and peeled them a little bit early. And
that was me.
It's okay. Some of the paint peeled up. It gives them character, you know. But anyways, so we started off with a vinyl sticker and we put it on the pot and then spray painted them, I think like 5 times. Like we went thick with the layers just because you can kind of see on the insides of the pots where we didn't really go too thick. You could still see it. But anyways, so we put the vinyl stickers on there and everything, and then once it dried we peeled them off, and then this is the result that it left us with. So really cool. It just, terracotta pots are super affordable, so if you want something to like spice up the look, because I don't really like this, like the actual terracotta color by itself, but like with the white it looks really cool and it just gives a little bit more class to like these pots. But I'm gonna show off the other ones I made.
Nice.
So we have the triangle pattern, and then we have,
these ones get cool,
a safari kind of pattern. I just really liked these animals.
Now is this a tiger or a bear?
It's a bear.
Ah, see, I thought it was a bear at first, but I was like, well, you asked me if I like tigers, and I did, so it could be somewhat a tiger.
I couldn't find a cool tiger, but I guess it could be a tiger. But yeah, so we have an elephant for Mama Gold because she loves elephants. Then we have a bear. We have a lion for Martin, and then a giraffe. I think this one turned out the best. It's so cool.
Yeah, that one's really nice. And
then my favorite theme that I made, which is right now the only one that has plants in it. Dog paws and a dog face. And actually, I'm not mad that this one ripped a little bit because it looks like it's almost got like a brown spot on its face. So
which dogs do.
I really love it, and it was a super simple idea, and so I can't wait to show you guys how we did these. We just have to get more pots soon.
Oh yeah, I don't know if we've even told you guys, but we actually got a free vinyl printer from our neighbor, so thank you. We're going to be making stickers and stuff, and that's how we did this type of crafts and everything. So
it's really awesome. We love it so much. Yes. Thank you. But I guess, side note, if you don't have a vinyl cutter like we did, you could just go find stickers that have like outline shapes to them, you know what I mean, and just stick them on, because that would be easier too. Probably easier than us trying to make stickers, get the stickers on, like stick.
You could even use like electrical tape or something and just be creative, and like, I don't know if your lines would get as small, but yeah, like you could do like cool designs and stuff.
Yes, so anyways, that's it for my pots though, but anyways, But if you wanted supplies, you needed terracotta pots, some vinyl stickers or stickers, and some spray paint. I actually used like a chalky spray paint with intentions to maybe one day be able to write like the name of the plant on the back here, or like my watering schedule, just something like that, because I think that would be just an even cuter touch. And being that it's white, I can do any color in the world that I wanted. So anyways, yeah, stickers, pots, and spray paint basically is what you're gonna need. But now to go over my plants that I got, because I don't even know if I've shown you guys some of these plants. These are some of my absolute favorite plants. They're new, but this is a ZZ plant. I actually picked this one up from Lowe's, and since I've gotten it, it has 2 new little growths out of it. So I have 2 new trees. So exciting. It's one of the coolest plants. It gets its name, ZZ plant, from its official name. I don't really know I don't know how to pronounce the full name of it, but just know that it starts with a Z. But there's different types of these where you can get them and they can turn black rather than green, so really cool. But I love this green color and I love it so much. And I actually just found out right before we filmed this that this pot that's on the inside of it will fit inside of one of these. So that's gonna be my next project, is getting it out of there, because it's like a pop-in one. And yeah, so anyways, just a really cool plant. And this one is pet friendly 100%. So if you guys have cats, dogs, they can chew on them, rub on them. Not that you would really want it to, because I'd probably cry if that ever happened, but this one is pet friendly. So ZZ plant. And then I'll show off my little addition of a Play-Doh cactus that Martin made for me last night. Super cute, so I'm letting it dry in there. But yes, this is my ZZ plant.
So now we have this plant to show you, right?
Well, I was going to show them these, but it's okay.
Oh, then show.
I'll show you a not pet-friendly plant now.
That's why it's hanging. Yeah, just leave it hanging. Okay. I'll step up and film it.
So this one I'm coming up to is actually called a marble pothos. Pothos is a very popular houseplant because of its ease to take care of. It's really, like, it can handle underwatering and overwatering. It doesn't need too much sun. You can kind of just place it wherever, which if you guys see, it's literally placed in the middle of our living room. So it's not like it's in a specific like sunny spot or anything in the room. It'll still do great here, and it'll probably end up just like opening up more because we have sun coming from all the angles. So really cool. But
we're not gonna lie to you guys, we were trying to find a spot to put this for the filming, and I said, let's hang it right here. She was like, I love it. And I was like, well, we can keep it there.
And it'll still do fine. But if you look at closely on these leaves, these are called marbles because of their variegation. So just a difference in color on the leaves. And then like this one, he's just a plain green one though. Still cool. Still, it's really unique to like look at it from afar. And as I'm showing you this, there's a baby leaf right here that's gonna come out.
Yeah. So. Somewhat.
So eventually in a few days I'll have another one and they'll just keep trailing along. But this one, like I was saying, because of its out of reachness, is not pet friendly. 2 dogs or 2 cats. So that's why we tried it. We kept it up higher before, but this is just a better spot for us now. And they can rub on it and it won't really affect them, but it's when they start to chew the leaves and everything that they'll get like an upset stomach. So you just want to be careful and watch out for that. It's hard to notice if they're just rubbing on plants because you can't really see that, but like teeth marks are more noticeable. So just always keep eye out for teeth marks if you do have pets, because you don't want them to feel gross or anything from chewing on your plant. And then these ones I wanted to show off because I don't know if I've shown off these ones yet. I actually got these from a house plant sale from our botanical gardens, our local garden place. We actually have never really been there, so like I don't really know too much about it, but it's I'm really happy with my plants. So these are called Pilia plants. Pilia permidosa or something like that. But these are 100% pet friendly as well. So I keep these down a little bit lower. They are the same as like that pothos, as they don't really need too much sun. They're not really finicky. So I just keep them in front of a bright window that doesn't get direct sunlight all day, and they're still happy. So And then this one, these are really cute though because of all the little baby ones that like pop out of the soil. The tiny little circles that are in there are so adorable. One of my favorites. But yeah, so this one, Stormy is really big on chewing anything that's like leafy and float like this, you know what I mean? So like I was really worried she was going to start eating all of these plants, but I actually put them away at a little bit of a higher spot so she couldn't really reach them, but she hasn't gotten to them yet. I feel like I should like, it's not that I say that all of them are going to be eaten, but I guess on the bright side though is that if I ever do have to worry is that she won't be hurt by these because these are just like if she were to eat grass or anything. And then this one, I don't really have to show off, but I do want to show its growth. I got this one at Christmas, and this didn't even exist, and there was not nearly as many leaves on here, so I'm really super happy with this growth. And another little Play-Doh thing. And oh, this one is also pet friendly as well. It's a little bit harder to chew, like they're thicker leaves, so I haven't noticed Stormy eating them. But I can guarantee you if it was down, she would be rubbing on it because she loves these pointy things and she loves to rub on them. But again, it's pet friendly, so it's okay. Most of these disclaimers are for Stormy because I didn't have a problem with any of my pets before her or any of my plants.
Because Finn wouldn't eat them.
Finn would leave them alone. We actually had a huge pothos plant like that sitting on the ground, and Mama Gold took it back recently. But it was... I had no problem with it before with Finn, but now we have to be worried with Stormy, which is okay, but it's something to learn now because I had no idea that any of these plants could even be harmful.
I never thought that they would sell plants that were harmful to animals, or even you. Wait till you get into this one.
I know, so we're going to go downstairs now and show off my 2 newest plants. I'm so excited for these because one of them is my dream plant that I've been looking for forever, and then another one is a really cool one that kind of has like heart pink shaped leaves that is harmful to humans and pets. Alrighty, so now that we're outside, I'm going to show you guys the 2 plants that I was talking about. We have a fiddle leaf lig, which, fiddle leaf fig tree, which is my dream plant, and then a Synagodium, I believe is how it's pronounced, but that is the one that is toxic to humans and pets, if you ingest it though, so like don't worry about touching it.
If you saw in yesterday's vlog, she showed off her plant and she gave it a name.
Oh yes, don't worry.
I know, I'm just saying. Some of them might have saw it.
Yes, so I'm not going to show off my favorite one just yet, but this is Sally. She's the Synagodium, I believe it's how it's pronounced. But she's got little pink heart-shaped leaves with some pink on it, but so this one is harmful to pets and animals if ingested, but you can touch it and you'll be fine and everything, like nothing will happen, but it's just once you start to like grind up the leaves and stuff. So I made sure that one stayed outside because I don't even want to tempt Stormy or Finn with that.
Or me.
Or you, I know, accidentally broke it. But it's really cool because there are a few little baby leaves that are going to unfurl soon, so really healthy plant and everything, and I'm super excited about it. Like, look at this leaf. Look at that pink in that leaf.
That's a nice pink.
Super cool. And not all of them look like that, so it just makes it even more unique. So I'm really happy with it. But now onto my favorite plant, my fiddle leaf fig tree. I have been looking for one of these forever, and I love it. And actually, a cool thing is we picked this up at our supermarket Tops, which crazily enough has really, really amazing houseplants. But we only paid $12.99 for this, and most of them go for around $40 to $50, and this is huge. Like, it's huge, so I'm gonna have to find a new pot to put this in. But I'm super, super happy about it. This one is actually really like a finicky plant, so like I've had to bring it inside a few times just to make sure like it doesn't get too cold at nighttime or anything. And if it's raining like and really windy, I bring it inside too, just because it doesn't like a draft. But this one is also, that one is also very toxic to cats, just cats, not dogs. But it's if they chew on the leaves or anything, they can get really upset stomachs and it can actually poison them. So that one is going to stay outside, and when we do have to bring it in for winter time, it's probably going to go in Mama Gold's room.
Or top shelf.
Very, very top shelf. Yeah, just to make sure we keep it away. And same with this one, just because we always want to make sure we keep our little pets safe. But those are the 2 new plant additions that I have added outside, and I'm just so, so excited. I can't wait to see this one grow. It can grow up to 10 feet tall.
10 feet.
10 feet tall.
You didn't even tell the name yet.
Oh, this is Figaro.
It's Figaro.
My fiddle leaf fig. So cute. But yeah, I can't wait for it to grow. You can actually see a little bit of where it'll continue growing here soon. But Figaro.
So that was Ktinas Plants. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you have any of these types of plants, or
if you didn't know any of them are toxic to pets, because it's really something that, like,
you gotta be aware of.
Yeah, I've been doing crazy research lately just to see what ones are, what ones aren't, like what can happen and stuff, because I didn't know, you know, and like and if they all have the same toxicness, I don't want to even bring them in. But a lot of the ones that I have inside, they're fine if she rubs on them, or even if she does bite them, she's not gonna just get sick. She'll probably just feel a little gross for a little while, which is sad, but it's better than her dying, and then I know I can move the plant. But anyways.
So that was our video. We love you guys. Thanks for watching. Crush the rest of your day or night. Have a good night's sleep if you're watching this right before bed.
And it's Thursday, so we're seeing you guys same day.
Yes. Peace, guys.